From my childhood, I was always fascinated with the large-scale industrial operations and how they actually work and how the engineering solution makes them work efficiently. While I was studying my master's, I got an opportunity to do an internship at the Haile gold mine. Every day was filled with new challenges, so I had to jump into multiple projects every day. I had to design some things, I had to work with maintenance teams, so it was like very wholesome experience for me. At the end of my internship, again, I was like, this is it, this is what I want to do. And then I got an offer for the full-time position, and I feel really blessed with that. What really excites me is that whenever I'm working on something, I can actually see that it's actually happening in reality. For example, if I am working on a design, when I send that drawing to the fabrication company, I can actually see that piece of work that I have done actually in reality. So that's what really excites me, and that gives me this feeling that, oh, I need to learn more, and I'm really making a difference. This is very complex operation that we do here, but if you are hungry enough to learn, this is the best place to work. You'll get hands-on experience on a lot of things. You can actually implement your knowledge from your engineering degree right in the field here. So I think there is a lot of learning opportunity here, and for someone who is really interested in mining, this is the best place to start.